The villa sits gently on the water, designed to blend seamlessly with nature. Its signature feature is the massive glass dome, offering panoramic views of the surrounding water. The floating platform is sturdy, made with eco-friendly materials that are resistant to waves and weather. Imagine sipping morning coffee while watching dolphins swim by, or enjoying a sunset from your private deck. Step inside, and you'll be amazed by the open-plan design. Natural light floods every corner through the dome ceiling, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The living area features modern furniture and panoramic views that make you feel like you're floating in the sky. The kitchen is fully equipped with smart appliances, perfect for cooking while surrounded by nature. Every detail here combines luxury and comfort in perfect harmony. The master bedroom is a sanctuary with glass walls and a dome ceiling that turns the night sky into your personal ceiling. Imagine falling asleep under a canopy of stars, with only the gentle sound of water around you. There's also a reading nook, private bathrooms, and minimalist design elements that make every corner feel luxurious yet cozy. Step outside to the villa's spacious deck. A private jacuzzi, lounge area, and a small dock for kayaks make this the ultimate relaxation spot. The villa even includes floating gardens for those who love a touch of greenery, perfect for hosting friends or enjoying quiet moments in total privacy. This isn't just luxury, it's smart and sustainable. Solar panels power the villa, and smart home systems control lighting, temperature, and security with a single touch. Water is filtered and recycled using eco-friendly technology, making this floating home a perfect example of combining modern design with sustainability. Living in a glass dome floating villa is not just about a house, it's a lifestyle. From sunrise yoga sessions on the deck to stargazing at night, every moment here is extraordinary. Whether you're seeking adventure on the water or peace and solitude, this villa offers the best of both worlds. That's it for our tour of this luxurious glass dome floating villa. If you love this dream home, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tours of futuristic and luxurious homes around the world. Which part of this villa would you love to wake up in? Let us know in the comments below.